Okay, I'm going to do something nobody ever wants to do, and I'm going to ruin my mirror shine just to show how I repair it real quickly. This is one of the methods. This isn't the only method, but I'm going to do it as quickly as I possibly can to show that the repair can happen pretty quickly. Okay, decent little mirror shine. I mean, it's got some good marks in it. It's still reflecting though. Flannel cloth. It's the best buffing cloth you can have. In my opinion. Now first, I'm just going to use water. Water alone is a solvent, and it will help smooth down some roughness. This is a recently scraped off the surface Pure Polish Products High Shine. I'm just dabbing, I press, I don't smear or anything in that regard. And I'm doing it in very thin layers because the base is already built. One of the things that's great about using your fingertips is it helps grab a more product and allows you to build up a faster base. One of the things that's great about a cloth is it allows you to buff even finer than your fingertips can. Your fingers can be a little rough when it comes to the final buffing process. Okay, now when it starts to get a little bit cloudy, that's not when I know I need a little bit of a water droplet. Water droplet, dab. I'm buffing in circles. Circles optically with the eye won't show streaking as much. Sometimes it's good for final movements to do forward, backward, or lateral strokes to press it into the grain, but we're above the grain now, so it's like, so that's why circles can often be good for the final buffing. Okay. You know, much of the webbing is gone that was underneath the surface. I can still see some of the marks. I hope I didn't damage the leather, but all in good faith towards science, right? It's okay. These are part of my regular rotation. I'll beat them up, strip them down, repolish them, no time. I'm gonna do a little bit more, just because. Now, again, I'm not putting much at all because when you damage a mirror shine, you don't need to rebuild the base. What you're doing is you're filling in the surface, and that's really a buffing process. Hope I'm catching this on the video. Last video, I didn't get everything on screen as well as I would have liked. got a good reflection. So that's what I do. Keeps it thin, keeps the heat away from the leather. Pure polish.